and we will defer this naming. One, because the Congress doesn't seem to like it, although they have no business to decide what road should be named in Fatarda. The Congress in the bargain also doesn't want all other names which have to come. They seem to be against Florian Vaz, they seem to be against Padre Miranda, they seem to be against Saint Joaquin, they seem to be against Ullas Buyam, all these things. Because the entire resolution will now have to be kept on hold. And the government too seems to be playing on the same wicket, because the decision from the government is not come as yet, and we can't then rush these things. So that is why I want to announce that we will not do the naming of this road tomorrow as planned. आज मेरे दोनोंही ऑथॉरिटीज जो तुम्ही म्हणतात, एक PDA आणि दुसरे कोणतो तो डेप्युटी कलेक्टर, दोघांची नोटीस कसली म्हाका अजून मेळूंक ना. So it's more in the social media. So there appears to be an attempt to have a media trial for an issue which is actually an upgradation of a public office, an office not meant for commercial reasons. See, people of Fatarda are watching this. According to me, I have followed all the guidelines laid down in the clearance and the license. I don't want to speak further on this. Let me receive that and we let the law follow its course.